So hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So today I will show you how to change Apple Watch faces directly from your iPhone in just few steps. So no confusion, no time wasted. Let's dive right in. So first unlock your iPhone and open the Watch app. This app comes with pre-installed on your iPhone when you pair your Apple Watch, so you don't have to download anything extra. So next, make sure you are on the My Watch tab. The section lets you manage all the settings for your connected Apple Watch, including your current and available watch faces. Now tap on the face gallery, and here you will find a variety of beautiful watch faces from digital and analog styles. From digital and analog styles to fitness focused and artistic designs, so you can scroll through and preview how each one looks. Wow, amazing. So step 4 is the next step 4 is when you find one you like, which you have liked it. Now select which you want to add a face. After, when you find one you like, tap on the customized colors. Now add it. So once you will add, select it and tap on set as current watch face, and that's it guys. Here you can see guys, my current watch face is on my watch. And guys, here's a quick tip. On your Apple Watch, you can swipe left or right on the screen to switch between the different faces you have added. It's perfect for matching your watch style to your outfit or activity. And that's it guys, we have learned how to change the Apple Watch faces right from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves. Thanks for watching.